Hello friends, today we are going to talk about Delhi. As we know that Delhi is lot more than just the capital of India, it is the city of love. It is an absolute combination of traditional values and modernity. Delhi's tourist places include historical and modern monuments and world-class metros and airports. In today's Delhi tour, I will make you around 20 most amazing places to visit in Delhi which everyone should visit at least once. Before we continue, please press the subscribe button to get the latest videos. So friends, let's get started. Our first place is Red Fort. It symbolizes the era of Mughal rule in India. The fort was built in 1638. It is famous for its history, architecture and photography. Our second place is Humayun's tomb. It is built in the year 1570. Humayun's tomb is a monument built by Queen Haji Begum, widow of Humayun. The monument displays the inspiration of Persian architecture. It is famous for its history, its architecture, gardens and photography. Our third place is Qutub Minar, the tallest tower in India. Qutub Minar is believed to commemorate the victory and the beginning of Mughal era in India. The 73-meter tall tower was built by Qutb ud Din Aibak after defeating the last Hindu kingdom. Our fourth place is Lotus Temple. It is famous for religion and architecture. Its second name is Baha'i Temple. Its lotus symbolizes four religions, namely Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism, Jainism. Our fifth place is Lodhi Garden. If you want to have a quiet day to escape the crowd and the busy life, this is where you need to be in Delhi. The 90-acre garden is an excellent place to relax, walk, jog and enjoy the beauty of nature. Our sixth place is Swaminarayan Akshardham Temple. It is famous for gardens, architecture, religion, peace and harmony. Whatever faith you may following, you could take your time to visit here. It is the world's largest Hindu temple. Its musical fountain show is very beautiful. Our seventh place is India Gate. It was constructed in the year 1931 as a war memorial for over 70,000 soldiers killed during First World War. The names of the soldiers are inscribed in the walls of India Gate. our 8th place is Rashtrapati Bhavan. It is famous for central government, its architecture and gardens. Things to do at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Visit Rashtrapati Bhavan and the Central Gardens. Visit Rashtrapati Bhavan Museum Complex. Visit the Mughal Gardens. Our 9th place is Jama Masjid. It is famous for mosque architecture, history, serenity. Jama Masjid is another fine example of Mughals architecture's gold age under Shah Jahan. It is India's largest mosque and its courtyard can carry more than 25,000 devotees at a single time. The building consists of 3 great gates, 4 towers and 2 minarets made from a combination of red sandstone and white marble. 10th place is Chandni Chowk. It is the heart of national capital. A visit to Delhi is incomplete without visiting Chandni Chowk. It is India's busiest and oldest markets. Chandni Chowk is a perfect amalgamation of history, culture and cuisines. Its famous street is Parathe Wali Gali. Thank you friends for watching. This is the first part of this video. For seeing second part of this video, please subscribe our channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you.